Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi from Team Lexus and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. Today in this video I am going to discuss the process to register a company. This process includes four types of steps. First, steps to incorporate a company. Second, forms duly signed. Third, additional documents, and fourth, additional steps. So let's start our video. First, we have to understand what is the company and the need of company to register. Registrars of the company appointed under section 60G of the Companies Act covering the various states and union territories are vested with the primary duty of the registering companies. Registrars of the companies appointed under section 60G of the Companies Act covering the various states and union territories are vested with the primary duty of registering companies floated in the respective states and union territories and of ensuring that such companies comply with statutory requirements under the Act. These offices function as registries of records relating to the companies registered with them, which are available for the inspection by the members of public on payment of prescribed fee. The registrars of the companies in different states primarily deal with the incorporation of companies, change of name of companies, change of financial year, conversion of companies from private to public and vice versa, striking of the names of the companies and default action against companies. Now we discuss the steps that are helps to incorporate a company. First, steps to be taken to incorporate a private limited company. First, in order to preference a few suitable names, not less than 4, indicative of the main object of the company. Second, that the name does not resemble the name of any other company already registered and also does not violate the provisions of Emblems and Names Prevention of Improper Use Act 1950. Third, apply to the concerned registrar of companies to ascertain the availability of a name in the general rules and forms along with a fee of rupees 500. If the proposed name is not available, apply for a fresh name on the same application. Third step you have to follow, arrange for the drafting of the memorandum and articles of association by the solicitors, the vetting of the same by ROC and the printing of the same. Fourth, arrange for the stamping of the memorandum and articles with the appropriate stamp duty. Fourth, get the memorandum and articles signed by at least 2 subscribers in his own hand, his father's name, occupation, address and the number of shares subscribed. Fourth, ensure that the memorandum articles are dated after the date of stamping. Second main point, get the following forms duly signed up and signed. First form you have to sign declaration of compliance. Second, notice of the citation of the register office of the company. Third, particulars of the director, manager or secretary. Third main point, present the following documents of the registrar of companies with the filing fee and the registration fee. First, the stamped and the signed copies of the memorandum and article of association, 3 copies, Form 1, 18 and 32 in the duplicate. Third, any agreement referred to in the memorandum of association. Fourth, any agreement proposed to be entered into within any individual for appointment as managing or whole-time director. Fifth point, name availability letter issued by the registrar of companies. Sixth, power of attorney from the subscribers in favor of any person for making corrections on their behalf in the documents and papers filed for registration. Sixth, pay the registration and filing fee by demand draft, banker check if it exceeds rupees 1000. Obtain the certificate of incorporation of the registrar of companies. Some additional steps to be taken for formation of a public limited company. First, consent of directors to act as such in form number 29. Arrange for payment of application and allotment money by directors on share taken or agreed to be taken. Third, files a statement in lieu of prospectus with the Registrar of Companies in Schedule 4th of the Companies Act. Fifth, file a declaration in Form 20 duly signed by one of the directors. Sixth, obtain the certificate of commencement of the business. These all above steps clears the registration process of a company. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.